Hi everyone, welcome to Tradio, the ultimate platform to track, analyze, and improve your trading performance. Let's walk through how it works. Once you log in, you'll see two options to bring in your trade data. One is API connection, other is upload CSV. In this demo, we'll go with the CSV option to quickly find actionable insights. Here's the upload CSV page. First, select your broker and segment, then upload the file you've downloaded from your broker. Not sure how to download it? Don't worry, we've added a tutorial video here. Just follow the steps mentioned there. Once uploaded, you'll be redirected to your dashboard. After verifying your number, you'll get instant access to your insights. Here you can see all the key metrics about your trades, your PNL graph, heat map, and actionable insights generated with advanced statistical analysis and AI. This gives you a clear picture of your performance and helps you refine your strategies and risk management. Now let's move to the journaling section, designed especially for intraday retail traders to improve consistency. All your uploaded trades will be displayed here. If your broker is connected, you can sync trades with a single click. For each trade, you'll see daily PNL, strategy, and mistake tags. Click on any trade card and you'll land on the details page. Here, you'll find entry and exit prices. Here you can find risk rewards of the trades as well. On the right side, an option to upload chart screenshots like Nifty or options charts, and a notes section where you can write down your learnings. In the middle, you can create tags. For example, click Create Tag, type your strategy name, let's say Breakout Morning, and save it. From now on, you can assign this tag to trades easily. The same works for mistake tags. This simple process makes it easy to track your strategies and mistakes over time. After a few trading days, head over to the charts section. Here, Tradio shows you strategy-wise performance, mistakes that cost you losses, which days or time slots need improvement. It's your personalized performance report, helping you focus on what really matters. Next, in the All Trades section, you can see every trade you've uploaded so far. Unlike brokers, Tradio gives you a clear, detailed table with all columns visible, making it easy to review your entire history. Finally, let's check out the Connect Broker section. Here you'll find all the supported brokers. Once you upload the required details, it will automatically sync your trades. Each broker has a slightly different process, and we've made detailed video tutorials for each one. You can find them on the Tradio YouTube channel. The link is in the description below. And that's it. Here, you can upload your trades, analyze your metrics, track mistakes, and journal effectively, all in one place. Tradio helps you trade smarter every single day. Start using it and trade better every day.